Hello little learners, we are going to learn about letter L. L, this is letter L. L, ladybug. L, lion. L, ladder. L, lollipop. L, lemon. L, leaf. Letter L is a tall letter and it starts from the upper line and goes down. From up to down, left to right. From up to down, left to right. From up to down, left to right. It should touch here. We start from here, up to down, left to right. This is our L letter poem. This is an action poem. As we recite, we will do actions. L for lollipop, lick, lick, lick. See, this boy is licking lollipop. So take out your tongue and pretend like you are licking lollipop. L for ladybug, fly, fly, fly. This is ladybug. Fly, fly like a ladybug. Stretch your arms and flip. L for ladder, climb, climb, climb. You can see the boy is climbing the ladder. Pretend like you are climbing a ladder. We'll recite poem again, but this time with actions. L for lollipop, lick, lick, lick. L for leaf, fall, fall, fall. You can see the leaves are falling. L for ladybug, fly, fly, fly. Fly, stretch your arms and fly. L for ladder, climb, climb, climb. See the climb. In social emotional development, we are going to learn the story of love. Alphabet story, L, love. This is the story of a girl who always asks her mother, "Do you love me?" Lena always asks her mother, "Do you love me?" When she goes to school, Mama packs her tiffin. She cooks food for her. She takes care of her when she falls sick. She plays with her when she feels lonely. She helps her in her studies. But Lena always asks her, "Do you love me?" Mama replied, "Doing good and caring to whom you love is a true love." This is our L letter graph. I have the cutout of letter L, lampshade, cutout of lampshade and some flowers. Now we will stick them together and make our L lamp. Okay, now we'll start sticking. We'll apply glue at the back side of the letter L. And now we will stick it. Now I'll take the cutout of lampshade and apply glue at the back side. And stick. Now we'll decorate this lamp with some flowers, and or you can decorate them with something else, with some beads. To make it more decorative. This is L lamp. L lamp. Yeah, this is it. This is our letter L craft, L lamp. In our L letter segment, today we are going to learn how to color a lemon, L lemon. We use appropriate color, yellow for lemon, green for leaf. Stay in line and let the white go away. These are the three rules of coloring. Use appropriate color, stay in line and let the white go away. I'll show you how. First we will start coloring from the border, so we can stay inside the line. This way. Let the white go away. Color of lemon is yellow. L, lemon. C. This is done. Now I will use green color for leaf. First I will start from border side. So this is done. L, lemon. This is a pre-mat concept, left and right. Just put both your hands on the table and you will get to see your left hand makes letter L like this. So this is your left hand and this is your right hand. Now we'll do little exercise. Just show me where is a house. Yeah, this is left hand side. Where is the flower? At right hand side. Where is the car? At left hand side. Where is the moon? Right hand side. Where is the star? Left hand side. Where is the bird? Right hand side. Yes. Now you know which is your left hand and which is your right hand. Okay? This is our pre-mat concept, long and short. L, long. Now we'll see which object is long and which is the short one. This broom is long one. This is the short one. This scale is short one and this is the long one. And this is it for this segment.